Hey, welcome back to Black Ryu Fitness. Today we're going to dive into the amazing benefits of HIIT training in 2023. No matter your fitness level, from beginners to experienced athletes, HIIT training offers a scalable way to achieve your goals in a time-efficient manner. So let's get started. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a method of exercising where you perform a short burst of intense exercises followed by periods of rest or low-intensity movement. The great thing about HIIT is that it can be adapted for any form of exercise, including weight training, bodyweight movements, or aerobic exercise. Plus, it doesn't have to be high impact, so those with joint pain or mobility issues can still enjoy its benefits. Now let's take a closer look at the specific health benefits of HIIT. First benefit, improved heart health. By strengthening your heart, HIIT helps to lower blood pressure, increase good cholesterol, and improve circulation. Just 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT training can contribute significantly to the recommended 150 minutes of heart pumping activity each week. Second benefit, increased VO2 Max. High intensity interval training has a significant impact on improving your VO2 Max, which is the measurement of your body's ability to consume oxygen during intense workouts. A higher VO2 Max indicates better cardiovascular and metabolic health, enabling you to perform at a higher level during physically demanding activities. Studies have shown that incorporating HIIT workouts into your routine can lead to substantial increases in VO2 Max, surpassing the results achieved through moderate intensity continuous training. Third benefit, enhanced body composition. HIIT workouts are highly effective in reshaping your body composition, helping to improve muscle function, increase lean mass, and optimize skeletal muscle markers. Compared to moderate intensity continuous training, HIIT has been shown to produce better results in terms of muscle growth and fat loss. This makes it a powerful tool for those looking to enhance their physique and overall physical performance. Fourth benefit, post-workout calorie burn. One of the most attractive benefits of HIIT is the ability to provide a longer lasting excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC effects. This means that your body continues to burn calories even after you've completed your workout, making HIIT a highly effective method for fat loss. Researchers have shown that HIIT produces a more pronounced EPOC effect than steady-state cardio or sprint interval training, further highlighting its effectiveness in promoting calorie burn and weight loss. Fifth benefit, increased bone density. HIIT exercises that involve impact on your skeletal system, such as treadmill training sessions, can contribute to increased bone density. This is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing age-related bone loss. By stimulating new bone formation through high-intensity activities, HIIT helps to improve bone strength and resilience, providing a long-term benefits for overall skeletal health. Sixth benefit is accessibility. One of the key advantages of HIIT is its adaptability to various settings and conditions. Whether you're working out in a commercial gym or confined to a small place in a hotel room, HIIT workouts can be tailored to suit your surroundings and the equipment you have available. This makes HIIT an excellent option for those with busy schedules, limited resources, and those who travel frequently. Seventh benefit is time efficiency. HIIT workouts are known for their ability to deliver impressive physiological benefits in a shorter amount of time compared to steady state training. This makes them an ideal choice for individuals with time constraints or those looking to maximize the efficiency of their workouts. Studies have demonstrated that even mid-interval training can prevent similar physiological challenges as steady-state training, proving that HIIT workouts can be just as effective while taking up less time in your schedule. Now let's get started with HIIT. You can manipulate and scale the intensity and duration of both work and recovery periods according to your fitness level. There is a wide range of HIIT exercises that can be tailored to individuals' preferences and fitness levels, making this training method highly versatile. For example, you can perform a series of 200-meter sprints followed by 2 minutes of recovery, or engage in intense rope slams for 20 seconds, followed by 60 seconds of rest. Alternatively, you might opt for a rowing workout with alternating intensity levels, where you row at a nearly all-out effort for 30 seconds, followed by 60 seconds of low to moderate intensity rowing. Other examples include the Tabata-style bodyweight exercises like split squats, burpees, push-ups, and mountain climbers, where you can perform 20 seconds of all-out effort, followed by a brief 10-second rest period. These varied HIIT exercises showcase the adaptability and diversity of its training method, making it an appealing choice for people with different goals, abilities, and interests. In conclusion, HIIT training offers numerous benefits such as improved heart health, increased VO2 max, enhanced body composition, and time efficiency. It is a fun, adaptable workout option for people of all fitness levels. Now that you know the benefits of HIIT, why not give it a try and see how it can transform your fitness journey? If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also, do make sure to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel as well so that you can continue watching the best fitness and bodybuilding videos right here on Black Ryu Fitness. I'll see you guys in the next one.